All right, 2017 F350. We're gonna pull up on this with my thumb and get that gap. And once I get that gap, I'm gonna slip this plastic tool in there, pop this speaker panel off. Then you're gonna remove these two little bolts, either with the Torx bit. Take the speaker out, unclip it. Then we're gonna lift this next piece up and unbolt that. All right, got the speaker out. There's two more bolts here. I am using a 9/32. And once I got that out, then I just grabbed this and pulled it real hard. It's got some clips right there across the front. And that piece comes out. Now we've got these bolts. Stereo face comes off. Now we're going to be able to get back to the stereo. We're going to be able to pull these pieces off and then get the console out.